Chapter 1. A Beautiful Morning. Once upon a time, in a cosy little cottage at the edge of Meadowville, there lived a very special egg named Humpty Dumpty. Humpty wasn't just any egg, oh no. He had the brightest smile, the wiggliest walk, and the biggest heart for adventure you ever did see. One beautiful sunny morning, Humpty's alarm clock went ring, ring, ring. Humpty stretched his little stick arms way up high and let out an enormous yawn. Yawn! He rubbed his sleepy eyes and looked out his bedroom window. The sun was shining so brightly it made the whole world sparkle like it was covered in fairy dust. "Today is going to be amazing!" Humpty said with the biggest grin on his face. He hopped out of his cozy egg-shaped bed. Well, actually he sort of rolled out, because that's what eggs do best, and tumbled onto his soft carpet. Thump! Roll, 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 bonk! Oopsie! Humpty giggled, bumping gently into his toy chest. Even tumbling was fun for Humpty. He quickly got dressed in his favorite red bow tie, because every adventure deserves a fancy bow tie, and rushed to his door. "Adventure, here I come!" he shouted, throwing open his door to the most beautiful day he'd ever seen. Chapter 2. The Rolling Hill. Right outside Humpty's cottage was the most wonderful, perfect, absolutely incredible rolling hill in all of Meadowville. It was green and grassy, with yellow buttercups and purple violets dotting the hillside. At the very top, you could see for miles and miles, all the way to the Whispering Woods and even to the Rainbow River. Humpty looked up at that hill, then down at the bottom, then back up at the top. "You know what?" he said to a passing butterfly. "I think today is the perfect day for rolling." The butterfly seemed to agree, doing a little loop-de-loop in the air. Humpty climbed and climbed and climbed to the very tippy top of the hill. His little stick legs worked hard, and by the time he reached the summit, he was huffing and puffing. "Phew! Made it!" he said proudly, putting his hands on his hips. He looked down the long, steep, grassy slope. "Ready? Set!" Humpty took a deep breath. "Roll!" And down he went. Wobble, 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 roll, roll, roll. Humpty tumbled down that hill so fast. The world spun around him. Sky, grass, sky, grass, sky, grass. The wind whooshed past his face, making his bow tie flap like a flag. "Whee!" Humpty squealed with delight. "This is the best!" Faster and faster he rolled, picking up speed, the flowers becoming colourful blurs as he zoomed past them. Finally, bumpety-bump, Humpty reached the bottom of the hill and rolled to a stop. He stood up quickly, but oh my, everything was still spinning. Wobble, 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 Humpty swayed to the left, then to the right, then to the left again. His eyes went round and round in dizzy circles, and he saw little stars and birds tweeting around his head. Well, he thought he did. He was pretty dizzy. "Whoa!" he said, giggling. "That was awesome! I want to do it again." But just then, something else caught his eye. Chapter 3. The Butterfly Chase. Beyond the bottom of the hill was the most beautiful garden Humpty had ever seen. It was Mrs. Cottontail's garden, and it was bursting with roses, daisies, sunflowers, and every colour you could imagine. And fluttering all around the garden were dozens and dozens of butterflies. There were blue butterflies with shimmery wings, yellow butterflies that looked like flying sunshine, orange butterflies with black spots, and pink butterflies that seemed to glow. "Oh, wow!" Humpty gasped. "Hello, butterflies!" One particularly beautiful butterfly, a bright blue one with silver sparkles on its wings, flew right up to Humpty's nose. "Well, hello there," Humpty said, going a little cross-eyed trying to look at it. The butterfly did a little flutter dance in the air, then flew away toward the garden. "Hey, wait for me!" Humpty called and started hopping after it. Hop, hop, hop. The butterfly zigzagged left. Humpty followed. "This way!" The butterfly zigzagged right. Humpty followed. "No, that way!" The butterfly flew up high. Humpty jumped, reaching his little stick arms up. "Come back!" But the butterfly stayed just out of reach, like it was playing the most wonderful game of tag. Soon, Humpty was running all around the garden, chasing first one butterfly, then another, then three at once. "Gotcha! Oops, missed," he laughed. "This time for sure. Nope, almost. So close." Humpty was having so much fun, he didn't even mind that he couldn't catch them. The butterflies seemed to be having fun too, doing loop-de-loops and spiral dances in the air. Finally, Humpty stopped to catch his breath. He was huffing and puffing with a huge smile